J.O.V. Jack Daniels and sweet Gypsy Rose, they're always wherever I go.
Food and beverage service with Keith Phillips. We've laid the tablecloth. We've also changed the soiled tablecloth. Now it is time to give our table the finish. So let's fold some serviette folds. Serviette folds that are used for the guest must not have intricate folds that actually crumple the napkin or serviette. They should be plain, because once you lay it on the guest's lap, it should not crumble. The three folds that I have used for that is the triple wave, the cone or sail, and the bishop's mitre. The fourth is an artichoke fold. This fold is used for finger bowls, can be used to serve petit fours or small chocolates, can also be used to serve bread rolls and breadsticks. So let's start folding the serviettes. There are a few things we need to understand before we do napkin folding. It's important to see that your fingernails are well cut, the palm of your hand is clean and hygienic. Never use the entire palm of your hands, just use the tips of your fingernails. There are two sides to a napkin. One is the wrong side, which has the rims, and the other is the right side. Always, whenever you open a napkin, open it to the wrong side. The first napkin fold is known as a bishop's mitre. Start from the top to the bottom. It should be in line. Use the creases as your guide. Take the top to the bottom fold to the top, hold it and turn it. This should be one guide, and the edge of the table should be the second guide. Take the top fold, lay it in line with this line, unfold it, make the first fold, see that it is running in line with this, and that the ears are straight. Take the bottom fold and close it. Flip it over. There is another corner or ear. See that it runs in line. And take this fold just like an envelope. Open that, place it on the table, and then you can start setting your cover or place setting for either lunch or dinner. This is a triple wave. A triple wave fold. Take the top to the bottom. Make the first wave on top. Use your fingers. The first fold. The second fold. The second wave is ready. Look at the center wave. Use your center finger. Fold it. You have your triple wave. First wave, second wave, third wave. Now I'm going to make a cone, an ice cream cone, also called a sail, S-A-I-L. A cone or sail. Take the top to the bottom. This you've got to twist your hands a little. Take this corner, roll your hands right till it forms a cone to the center of the napkin. Take this corner to this corner, not this corner to this corner, but this corner to this corner. Straighten your napkin and give it a turn. Adjust it. Open the napkin. Give it a little finish. That's your cone or sail fold. This is an artichoke fold. This fold is not for the guests to use. This is used for finger bowls, for serving chocolates and petit fours, for also serving bread rolls and breadsticks, etc. Turn. It's very important over here to keep your fingers in the center so that the folds don't open up by itself. Take the bottom, keep your two fingers here and open the first side. Turn it, remember keep your fingers in the center. Pick up this fold, do the same. Keep your fingers in the center. Pick up this fold. Do the same to the fourth. Again. artichoke. An artichoke, a triple wave, a bishop's mitre, a cone. These three serviettes may be used for the guest's lap. This is used for other purposes.
Silently work on my third. J.O.B. Jack Daniels and sweet Gypsy Road.